It's Sunday and I have a lot of things to do, but I need to go and retrieve my drone. Okay, disclaimer guys, before anything else, I just want to tell you that this video was made 3 years ago. That's the 8th of October 2017. So if ever you see something cringy, or like I pronounce something cringy, or I do something cringy, everything is cringy. That was because it was way back 3 years ago. I didn't know what I was doing. So that's it. Anyway, enjoy the video. Yeah, one of my drones crashed somewhere there far away. I can't tell the location. But the thing is, yeah, one of my drones just crashed 3 hours away from the CBD. So I'm on a solo trip right now to retrieve that drone. And let's see how it goes. So apparently my drone crashed there. Yep, it flew and it crashed there. So it's 3 hours away from the city. So what I did was I mapped it on my my Garmin Basecamp, and yeah, got it here, got the coordinates. I'll try to check if I can retrieve it, so wish me luck. What I have here is something, I don't know, I'm just gonna try to, if it's up on the tree I might retrieve it. So I have some gaffer tape, I have a GoPro, I have strings, and this, you know what I use with it later if I need it. So yeah, I'm on my way right now. I have my gears packed, I have my drone, my other Mavic, for reconnaissance. I want to see if the drone's up in a tree or somewhere. I have the Zion crane because yeah, might as well film some movies on the way. Little bendy tripod. I have my other stuffs there, like my board. So yeah, wish me luck. Traveling now. So for this trip I won't be using the Video Mic Pro from Rode, but I'll be using my Video Micro because I don't want to be turning off the power, and I want things to be lighter. Though I didn't use the 70D, I'm using the 6D in case I want some photos. So let's see how it goes. I hope there's not a lot of walking, and I hope the area is accessible. But yeah, I'm on my way now. It's gonna be a 3-hour drive, 3 hour more, and yeah, let's have some fun. So it's windy shits today. Like, I was having a hard time opening the door. And to make matters worst, I didn't bring my jacket. And the car's shaking. It's really windy today. I'm fucked up. I was flying my drone earlier, and then this guy just stopped by and he wants me to film or photograph his land. So I'm heading there. So we're still traveling now, and as you can see further there, you can see the windmills. That's so awesome. Yeah, so I was filming some footage there near the trees, and this guy saw me filming, and he asked me if I could shoot their house in the middle of the canola field. I was like, "Whoa, yeah, man, yeah!" Well, the thing is, yeah, I even offered family photos for free. Yeah, I love the place. I'm still on my way to the Grampians right now, and I'm quite far. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm having fun in this trip. A quick stop at Beaufort for some photos, and I want to check out my footage earlier. Wedding was good, really nice. Let's take a photo of that one. So yeah, just a quick stop here, and ain't that cool? See that one? I'll take a photo of it. Nice.
Who's next, please? There you go. Just those.
Now, why is petrol cheaper here? Peak. Oh yeah, we're here. I just need to pee. I miss this place. Okay. Lots of campers today. Yeah, school holidays, last day. Okay. We just arrived now at the Grampians, and yeah, quickly went to the toilet. Yeah, just arrived here. It's packed up, a lot of people because it's Sunday. Should have come tomorrow. But anyway, I'm on my way up there to retrieve and to do the mission. Oh, wish me luck. 2 kilometers away. Yeah. So I'm just 2 kilometers away, but the roads are closed. I'm gonna try to look for a detour and see if I can figure this out. So it's gonna be a lot of walking. Okay, we're off-roading now. Off-roading on this trail here. Yep, no walking trails. So we're just looking for an entry to the woods. This is future me, and yeah, spoiler alert. I'm editing this video right now, and I found out that I lost some clips. I can find my GoPro clips, and that clip had me getting into the bush, walking for a few meters in, and I found out that it's not good. I heard some rustling of leaves, and yeah, they sounded like snakes, and snakes here in Australia are not a joke. Like, snakes here are snakes. So I had to go back, and yeah, fortunately I can't find that clip, but yeah, bummer. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the clip. So apparently the second entry point that I'm supposed to go is there, and that entry point is closed. Clearly closed. Oh motherfucker, I need to go back up the mountains. So I'm gonna go to, what's that? Borong shortcut. Damn, that's a trail. Oh well. Okay, we're in the street now. Road, street. Oh shit. Okay, finally we're in the main road. That was really bad. So the and it's called Taylor's Track 4-wheel drive. Okay, here we are. So my mission was to go down there and retrieve the package. Problem is, the roads were closed. I have it on GPS, and I was really planning to trek, go commando, go ninja. But the roads are closed, and there might be stakes there. So I'm just gonna enjoy the view now. Yeah. Enjoy the view. Maybe at the back. Oh, you're tall. That's why. Oh, maybe you turn it to the side. Yeah, I know the video's a bummer, and you've wasted your time watching the video and found out that your clip's gone. Anyway, just check out the next video if you want to see me being a tourist around Grampians and also skateboarding around the place. So yeah, that's it for now. Sorry about the, yeah.